is my house. I am having some fun. It's really secluded. I'm on my lawn with my dogs and my trees. And my car. This is it. Bye, Maya. Go inside, so I have some hot chocolate. Oh, girl. What do you want to play? Huh? What do you want to play? What do you want to play? Bitch. And, let's see. What else? Wow. It is windy. And it's really amazing. Amazing. I love the weather. I love it.